This video will help you identify which Intermatic T100 Series mechanical time clock you may have in your enclosure without looking at the door label. The first step is to count the number of terminals. The T101 and T102 have 3 terminals, while the T103 through T106 have 5 terminals. The next step is to turn the unit over and look at the voltage markings on the motor. If it says 125 volts, you have the T101, T103, or T105. If it says 208 to 277 volts, you have the T102, T104, or T106. Again, it's 125 volts for odd-numbered timers and 208 to 277 volts for even-numbered timers. For 5-terminal timers, check how the 2 contact sets behave as you move the manual lever to on and to off. If both contact sets open and close together, you have a T103 or T104. If one contact set closes while the other opens, you have a T105 or T106. To recap, 3 terminals with a 125-volt motor is a T101. 3 terminals with a 208 to 277-volt motor is a T102. 5 terminals with 125 volts and contacts that move together is a T103. 5 terminals with 208 to 277 volts and contacts that move together is a T104. 5 terminals with 125 volts with contacts that move opposite is a T105. 5 terminals with 208 to 277 volts with contacts that move opposite is a T106. And if you have any questions, please leave them below, or you can contact technical support at the phone number and email address listed on the screen. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic website for more tutorials.